Hi students. So in last lecture we have studied how to use logarithm table, how to find out the logarithmic value. Then we have done multiplication and division also. So today we will go for the power of a given value. Say for example, same example I will take. That is, say I want to find out समझो 4 8 3 1 raised to power 1 by 2. Let's start with the simple one, that is 4 8 3 1 raised to power 1 by 2. When I apply logarithm to it, then this is log of 4 8 3 1 raised to power 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 2 into log of 4 8 3 1. If you remember student, what identity I am using is log of m raised to n is equal to n into log of m. So this value I am using. Now that is nothing but equal to student, it is 1 by 2 into log of 4831. Now first characteristic. So if you remember the method what we had used student. So in that first we have to check how many digits are there before the decimal point. Whether the given value is greater than 1 or smaller than 1, that will be our first step. So here there is no need to tell that it is greater than 1. And the decimal point, now again don't say where is the decimal point. It is 4831 means it is 31.0 only. So I will say the decimal point is after digit 1. So there are total 4 digits are there before the decimal point. And because the value is greater than 1, the characteristic is 1 less than the number of digits before the decimal point. So there are 4 digits are there. The characteristic is 3. Now student, we have to check the mantissa. For mantissa we required 4 digits. So there are 4 digits. How to read this for mantissa? 48 in 3, difference is 1. So for this we have to use logarithm table. So I have entered in the logarithmic form, that is log page on which I am presently. So in that, in first column I will search for 48. So in first column I will search for 48 in 3. So it is 0 1 2 3 and mean difference is 1. So I am getting it as 6840. So the value is 6840. In first video we had used this value, same value I am using. So you know very well how to check the log table. So it is 6840. If you don't know how to use log table, please go through the first video and then continue with this video. Now student, it is 1 by 2 into 3.6840. Now you divide by 2 to this whole value. So it is 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0 remains as it is. Student, हो गया solve मेरा sum. Now I have to come out of the logarithm. For that I have to use anti-log of 1.8420. Now anti-log, for that we have to enter on the page anti-logarithm. So यहाँ पे बिल्कुल mistake नहीं होनी चाहिए. Anti-logarithm value I have said it start with 0.00. So it start with student 0.00. So let's check. So now it is, now student, only for mantissa we have to use the anti-log table. So how I will read? 84 in 2, difference is 0. So on anti-logarithm table 0.84 is on this page. So 0.84 in 2. So 0 1 2. The mean difference is 0. That is 6950. So I am getting the value 6950. Now we have to give the characteristic. If you remember, I had told you always give decimal point after first digit into 10 to the power the characteristic. So here the characteristic is 1, means it is 10 to the power 1. So if I multiply with 10 to the power 1, this value will be 69.50. This is the answer of this, that is 69.50. So check the value on your calculator if you want to verify it. So the square root or normal method also you can use, and by normal method you can find out the square root of this, which comes out to be 69.50. Okay, student. Now let's move for some other value. Like say for example, same value, but I will change the sum. Check karo how I am doing that. I am taking it as 4.851 raised to power 1 by 2. So this time I have changed the sum now and I have made it as 4.831 raised to power 1 by 2. So student, ये आंसर मैं अभी मिटाऊंगा, डेफिनेटली इट विल बी समथिंग एल्स. सो दिस आई विल रिमूव. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट log of 4.831 raised to power 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into log of 4.831. Okay, now when I check it for characteristic check how many digits are there before the decimal point, because the value is greater than 1. 4.831 is greater than 1. Therefore, there is one digit is there before the decimal point. Then the characteristic is 1 less than that. There is one digit. Therefore, the characteristic is 0 point. Now Mantissa check करते वक्त we want only 4 digit. Don't worry where the decimal point is. So it is 4831. तो कैसे रीड करेंगे? 48 in 3 difference one. Then it is 6840. Now again I have to divide it by 2. So if I divide it by 2, then it is nothing but 0.2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 1. It is 0. So this is the solution of it. Now we have to come out of the logarithm, and to come out of the logarithm we have to use anti-log, student. So now I'll write anti-log of 0.3420. So now check how to read this. 0.34 in 2 different 0. So I will open the anti-log page. 0.34 now, student. So it is 0.34. Okay, I got 0.34 in 2. So it is 0, 1, 2. Mean difference is 0. So I am getting it as 2198. So I am getting it as 2198. Now the rule what we are following, same thing you follow. Always give decimal point after first digit into 10 to the power the characteristic. This time the characteristic is 0 and anything raised to 0 is 1. 1 into this value is 2.198. This is the answer of the student. So it is 2.198. Okay, so one more sum we got. So check decimal values I have shifted, so its root is changing, square root is changed now. Now let's move for the next one, student. Now what I'll do is, this time I will shift this decimal point to here. I'll write it as 0.4831 raised to power 1 by 2. The third sum, today's third sum, I am doing it as 0.4831 raised to power 1 by 2. Now we have to determine the answer of this. For that, student, once again same thing. It is 0.4831 raised to power 1 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into log of, it is 0.4831. Now student, this time this 1 by 2 as it is log of 0.4831, we should be careful because the value is less than 1. 0.4831 is less than 1. If it is less than 1, student, the rule changes. Now the rule for characteristic says that you have to check how many zeros are there between the decimal point and first non-zero digit. The number of zeros between the decimal point and first non-zero digit plus 1 is the characteristic, but because the value is less than 1, the characteristic is negative. That is nothing but called as bar 1. तो ये सब हमने पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था स्टूडेंट. So please go through it again if you have any doubt. So it is nothing but it is 1, but it is bar 1 because the value is less than 1. Therefore it is bar 1.6840. Now after this, student. Now if नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू विल से सर हमें पता ही है नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 2. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी जस्ट वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 2. स्टूडेंट लेट्स चेक व्हाट हैपेंस if I divide by 2 to this. So if I divide, then it is bar 0.28 the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4. This is 0. If you do like this, it will give you wrong result, student. This is totally wrong. बार जीरो इज नॉट अलाउड इन लॉगरिथम. तुम्हारे वैल्यू में बार जीरो नहीं आना चाहिए. when you divide for any value, this bar 0 should not come. Then how we will divide them? So for that, student, we have to adjust this value in the positive form. Now positive है तो आराम से divide कर सकते हैं. तो how we will adjust it? So student check how we can adjust it. I hope you have understood. If I divide it by 2, I am getting bar 0 and bar 0 is not allowed. Okay. Okay, then this 1 by 2 I will keep as it is into. अभी देखो स्टूडेंट, ये बार वन मतलब मुझे -1 है. बार 1 इज नथिंग बट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज निगेटिव. लेकिन 2 से उसको डिवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हम लोग, तो ये -1 आई विल राइट इट एज -2 + 1. यू विल से सर आपने -2 क्यों लिया? बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू डिवाइड बाय 2. अगर मुझे डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करना होता तो -3 + 2 करता मैं. अगर डिवाइडेड बाय 5 होता तो यहाँ पे मैं -5 लेता. सो इस बार आई वांटेड टू डिवाइड इट बाय 2, सो आई मस्ट टेक इट एज -2 + 1. -2 + 1 is again nothing but -1 only, student. So this I will write this characteristic, that is bar 1 as bar 2, that is characteristic is negative. It is bar 2 plus 1.6840 as it is. So check, student, if I add this characteristic, -2 + 1 is again -1 ही आएगा. So this bar 1 I have adjusted as bar 2 plus 1.6840. अभी देखो बार 0 बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. चलो लेट्स डिवाइड बाय 2. So it is 2 1s plus, if I divide this, it is 0.2 8s 6, 2 8s 16, 2 4s 8, 2 2s and 0s. So it is 0.8420. So इसका वैल्यू आ गया बार 1.8420. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो इट इज 0.8420 आ गया. मेरा न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व हो गया स्टूडेंट. कहीं भी मेरे इसमें बार 0 नहीं है. सो नाउ आई विल से एंटी लॉग ऑफ दिस बार 1.8420. फिर से देखो स्टूडेंट, अगर कुछ डाउट है तो इधर ही डाउट आएगा, मुझे पता है स्टूडेंट. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन हियर इज, चेक करो, इट इज 0.4831 is written as bar 1.6840. Logarithmic form of this is bar 1.6840. If I divide it directly by 2, then here it will come bar 0, and bar 0 आना नहीं चाहिए. तो bar 0 अगर नहीं आना चाहिए, then we have to adjust this characteristic. And how I have adjusted this characteristic as bar 2 plus 1. So bar 2 plus 1, that is nothing but -2 plus 1 is nothing but -1, and -1 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक का निगेटिव साइन उसके ऊपर लिखते हैं, इसलिए उसको रीड करते हैं बार 1. So bar 2 plus 1 also is bar 1. Rest all things you have to keep as it is. So it is bar 2 plus 1.6840. Now I'll divide by 2. So it is, if I divide this by 2, it is bar 1 plus 2 8s 16, 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4 and 0 as it is. So you add. When you become perfect student, after this step you should do this step directly. So you must able to adjust it and do it directly. So it is bar 1.8420. Now I will check the anti-log of this कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. तो रूल के हिसाब से चलना होता है. फॉर मैंटिसा वी हैव टू यूज द लॉग टेबल एंड इट इज 84 into different 0 student. Let's check now. So in anti-log I am checking for 0.84 in 2. So it is 0 1 2. So So it is 6950 I am getting. So it is 6950. This is the value of it. Always give decimal point after first digit into the characteristic. Characteristic is bar 1 matlab 10 to the power minus 1. If it is 10 to the power minus 1 means it is 0.6950 is the value. So the square root of this is 0.6950 is the answer for this student. So check how to solve in this case. Raised to power 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2 into log of this value. इसका log value आ गया because it is less than 1. Because it is less than 1, the characteristic is 1 more than the number of zeros between decimal point and first non-zero digit. There is no zero or zero zeros are there plus 1. So it is bar 1.6840. Now we cannot divide by 2 directly because if I divide by 2, there will come bar 0 and bar 0 is not allowed, and therefore this characteristic I will split as minus 2 plus 1, that is bar 2 plus 1. Bar 2 plus 1 is again nothing but bar 1. So it is bar 2 plus 1.6840 as it is. Divide by 2 separately and add this value. So it is bar 1.8420. बस इसका solution हो गया. Now you have to come out of the logarithm. So for that you have to go for anti-log of bar 1.8420. That is nothing but 6950 is the value of this. How I have checked. In anti-log it is 84 into difference is 0. So it is 6950 I got. Put the decimal point after first digit into 10 to the power the characteristic. Characteristic is bar 1 matlab minus 1. Therefore it is 0.6950 is the value. So it is 0.6950 is the answer. Okay student, चलो थोड़ा और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लेते हैं स्टूडेंट. अगर इसको रेज टू पावर 1 by 2 की जगह पे रेज टू पावर 1 by 5 है समझो. चलो और थोड़ा इसको भी मैं एडजस्ट करता हूँ एंड आई विल टेक इट एज 0.04831. अभी इस बार मुझे ये वैल्यू सॉल्व करना है. लेट्स टेक इट एज द फोर्थ सम. नाउ लेट्स चेक हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस वन स्टूडेंट्स. Okay. Okay, here I will write this as log of, it is 0.04831 raised to power 1 by 5. This value I am keeping as it is because it will save my time to check the mantissa. But when you are practicing, you can take different values, students, so that you should be familiar with the logarithm table and use how to use that logarithm table. Okay, now let's check. Now it is 1 by 5 into log of, it is 0.04831. So this is 1 by 5. इसका mantissa तो already हम देख चुके हैं. 48 in 3 difference 1 is coming 6840. Now characteristic we have to check. For that this value is less than 1. If it is less than 1, we have to check how many zeros are there between the decimal point and first non-zero digit. There is 1 0 is there. Then the characteristic is 1 more than that. So 1 0 is there. So characteristic will be 2. And because the value is less than 1, the characteristic is negative. And how to write it as? Bar 2.6840. Student, अभी at this point, if I divide it by 5, student, check करो. If I divide this value as with 5, then it will come bar 0.55 at 25. आगे जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है स्टूडेंट. What I have told, बार 0 कभी आना नहीं चाहिए. इसमें बार 0 आ रहा है मतलब ये मेथड नहीं चलेगा. तो कौन सा मेथड जो अभी हमने किया, in which we have to adjust the characteristic. So how to adjust now characteristic? It is 1 by 5 into this time I wanted to divide it by 5. So मेरे पास characteristic है -2. So this -2 I will write it as -5 plus 3. Check करो स्टूडेंट सही है क्या? -5 plus 3 is nothing but again -2. Why I have taken -5? Because I wanted to divide by 5. So जिस वैल्यू से तुम डिवाइड कर रहे हो उसका वैल्यू निगेटिव मतलब बार के फॉर्म में लेना है. So it is nothing but bar 5 plus 3. So -5 plus 3 is nothing but -2 ही हो गया. 0.6840 as it is, student. Now we will divide it by 5. So if I divide it by 5, so this is 5 divided by 5 is bar 1 plus 0.5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, 5 6 the 30, and 5 eights are 40. So I hope the division is correct. 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, remaining is 3. So 5 6 are 30, 4 is remaining. So 5 eights are 40. Okay, चलो इसका मतलब ये हो गया. It is bar 1.7368 solution हो गया. Now come out of the logarithm. To come out of the logarithm, we have to go for anti-log of bar 1.7368, student. So that is nothing but, now once again कैरेक्टरिस्टिक तो रूल के हिसाब से चलेंगे. मैंटिसा इज 0.73 इन 6, डिफरेंस इज 8. सो इन एंटी लॉगरिथम टेबल टेक आउट योर टेबल स्टूडेंट, सर्च इन योर टेबल. सो 0.73. So 0.73 in 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, mean difference is 8. So उसी लाइन में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So ये 10 दिखा रहा है मीन डिफरेंस इसका. मतलब 5, 4, 4, 5 plus 10, that is 5, 4, 5, 5. So it is 5, 4, 5, 5 is the value of this student. It is 5, 4, 5, 5. Now the characteristic. To put the characteristic, always give decimal point after first digit into 10 to the power. This is negative. Characteristic is -1 means raised to power -1. Characteristic is bar 1 means 10 to the power -1. Adjust करो. It is 0.5455. The answer for it 0.5455. Like this, student, you can take any value you want. Clear this is? So this is how we can solve the logarithms root of the values या power raised to power 1 by 5. अगर raised to power 5 है तो very simple student, 5 into, ये प्रॉब्लम उधर नहीं आएगा बिल्कुल भी. बार 0 उस केस में नहीं आएगा. अगर ये रेस टू पावर 5 होता तो ये जस्ट 5 इंटू, तो बस यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट सम. दैट वन इज द मोर इजियर देन दिस वन. नाउ लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट. वन एग्जांपल आई एम टेकिंग एंड यूजुअली से we get such type of examples in regular numericals. So I will take like that. And student, trigonometric, how to use the trigonometric form, how to use square root, squares, reciprocals using logarithm. So that we'll discuss in our next video. Chalo, let's take, I am taking one example that is समझो square root of, it is square root of, just a minute student, I'll put some ink in it. Okay, now I am taking the full square root of okay, now it is square root of say for example here it is written 98.31 into 0.0833, okay, divided by bracket 4.831 plus 6.112, okay, and into, समझो it is 3.99. This is the value, समझो. This is the value what we have. Now student, to solve this we have to, no doubt we have to use the logarithm. So we will use logarithm. This can be written as, this is 98.31 into 0.0833 divided by bracket 4.831 plus 6.112 into 3.99 raised to power 1/2. स्टूडेंट्स, इसको हम डायरेक्ट लॉगरिथम अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि लॉगरिथम इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन और पावर. यहाँ पे एडिशन है, देखो. सो एडिशन तो हम सिंपल मेथड से पहले एडिशन, जो भी गिवन वैल्यू में एडिशन है, सब्सट्रैक्शन है, वो पहले हमें सॉल्व करके लेना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट, सो दैट उसमें सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन और पावर बचना चाहिए. अगर इसको डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करोगे, डोंट डू दैट, नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई विल सॉल्व दिस. फर्स्ट आई विल डू द एडिशन ऑफ दिस. So it is 98.31 into 0.0833 divided by, this is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, then it is 8 plus 1 is 9, and 6 plus 4 is 10 into 3.99 raised to power 1/2. Now student, what I'll do is, we'll go stepwise student. First we'll solve the numerator, then we'll solve the denominator, then we have to take the difference between these two, then it is power. So if I wanted to solve this first, okay, so if I apply logarithm to this whole value, so check karo how it is. I will say log of, this is 98.31 into 0.0833 divided by, it is 10.943 into 3.99 raised to power 1/2 is nothing but equal to 1/2. आगे लेते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ इन ब्रैकेट न्यूमरेटर को लॉग अप्लाई करेंगे, देन ये आएगा लॉग ऑफ 98.31, मल्टीप्लीकेशन मतलब एडिशन हो जाएगा, लॉग ऑफ 0.0833, ये हो गया तुम्हारा न्यूमरेटर कंप्लीट. माइनस, क्यों माइनस, क्योंकि डिवाइडेड बाय है. सो डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दीज टू क्वांटिटीज, दैट इज लॉग ऑफ, इट इज 10.943 प्लस लॉग ऑफ, इट इज 3.99. ये हो गया हमारा वैल्यू. लिख के कंप्लीट दिस ब्रैकेट, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भी कंप्लीट कर देते हैं, क्योंकि पूरे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट को 1/2 है. नाउ दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/2 एज इट इज. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द लॉगरिथमिक वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. सो लॉग ऑफ 98.31. सो स्टूडेंट, 98.31 डेफिनेटली इट इज ग्रेटर देन 1 है. If it is greater than 1, you have to check how many digits are there before the decimal place. There are decimal point, so there are 2 digits are there. Characteristic is 1 less than that, so it is 1 point. Now student, to check Mantissa we required 4 digit. So here I have already, there are 4 digit only. Don't worry where the decimal point is, उसका कुछ role नहीं है while checking the Mantissa. So how we have to read this? 98 in 3 difference is 1. So be careful, you have to check it in logarithm table. Open your log table, search for 98. So 98 is second last line. In 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 and mean difference is 1 और उसका वैल्यू 0 है, तो ये 9926. So it is 9926. ये हो गया प्लस, इसको भी ब्रैकेट डालते हैं. Now for this one it is 0.0833. So now student, the value is less than 1. The value is less than 1. Then check how many zeros are there between decimal point and first non-zero digit. There is only 1 zero is there. The characteristic is 1 more than the number of zeros between the decimal point and first non-zero digit. So it is 1 plus 1 2 हो जाएगा, and because the value is less than 1 it is bar 2. Now for Mantissa we required 4 digit. You will say इसमें 3 ही digit है, so it is 833. इसके ऊपर कितने भी zero लगाओ कुछ issue नहीं है. So I will check 83 in 3 mean difference is 0. 83 in 3 mean difference is 0. So 83 in 3, so it is 0 1 2 3. The mean difference 0 है, so it is 9206. So it is coming 9206. Bracket complete. Minus इसका काम हो गया अभी. Now come to this. 10.943 greater than 1, 2 digit before the decimal place. Characteristic is 1. Now I will check for the Mantissa. For Mantissa I have to use 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. So मुझे पहले rounding off method use करके we have to restrict to 4 digit. So by rounding off method which we have discussed in the last video, so this 3 is less than 5, you simply remove it, only 4 digits. So it is 10 in 9 difference 4. So I will check for 10, that is first line itself. 10 in 9 difference is 4, so it is 17. So it is 374 plus 17, so it is nothing but 1 7 8 9, so 391. So the value is 00391. चेक करो स्टूडेंट केयरफुली, इसके आगे 0 है. So it is 0374 plus 17, 7 plus 4 is 11, then it is 789, so it is 3, so it is 0391. Okay, plus इसका काम हो गया. Now I'll remove this. So next one, that is nothing but 3.99. So for characteristic value is greater than 1, there is only one digit before the decimal point, the characteristic is 0. Now it is 399. So I will check 39 in 9, difference is 0. So I am going fast student now. I hope you are familiar with how to check this. So it is 39. So 39 in 9, 6010, because mean difference is 0. Okay students, so complete the bracket. Now I'll add these two values. I have to add this first. So it is nothing but 1 by 2 into bracket. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 plus 1 becomes 3. 9, 10, 11. Then it is 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. So it is 1. Means what? It is 1 plus 1 plus of minus 2. चेक करो स्टूडेंट एडिशन. अगर तुम्हें इसमें कुछ भी डाउट आ रहा है तो 1.9926 and bar 2.9206. So it is 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 plus 1 is 3, 9 plus 2 11. So it is 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19. So it is 1 plus 1 और ये एडिशन चल रहा है तो it is 1 plus 1 plus minus 2 which is nothing but 0. So it is 0.9132 हो गया स्टूडेंट. Minus. Now do the addition of this. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it is 3 plus 1 plus 0 is 4. It is 6 plus 0 is 6 and 0 plus 1 is 1.6401. Now we have to do the subtraction of these two values. So I'll do subtraction here. That is 0.9132. Okay, minus 1.6401. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now it is 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 is 7. Then it is 8 minus 6 is 2. And 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, which is written as bar 1. So it is bar 1.2731. So it has come, it is 1 by 2 into bar 1.2731. 2731 स्टूडेंट फिर से हम वही पहुंच गए. इफ आई डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आई विल गेट बार 0 एंड बार 0 इज नॉट अलाउड. देयरफॉर स्टूडेंट इसको तो हमें फिर से एडजस्ट करके लेना पड़ेगा. सो आई होप तुम्हें नीचे का पार्ट भी दिख रहा है. तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. इट इज नथिंग बट आई विल राइट हियर इट इज बार 1 by 2. Bar 1 I wanted to divide by 2, so it is bar 2 plus 1.2731. Now if I divide it by 2, then it is 2 divided by 2 is bar 1 plus 0.26 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10 and फिर 2 5s are 10. So it is nothing but बार 1.636. अभी लॉगरिथम में आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट 4 ही डिजिट चाहिए. जब मैंटिसा देखते हैं तो राउंडिंग ऑफ मेथड यूज करना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट. दिस वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स आर देयर. एक डिजिट मुझे इसमें से निकालना है. नाउ अगर 5 मैं निकालता हूँ, इफ इट इज एग्जैक्टली 5, देन वी हैव टू चेक द प्रीवियस डिजिट. इफ इट इज इवन then keep as it is. If it is odd, then we have to add 1 in it. 5 is a odd value, we have to add 1 in it. So it is bar 1.6366. इसका एंटी-लॉग मुझे देखना है. So if I check its anti-log, so it is 63 in 6, different 6. So come on anti-log 0.63. 0.63 in 6, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a different 6. So different 6 is 6 आ रहा है. So it is 4 3 3 1 will be after the addition. 4 3 3 1 is the value. As I said, always give decimal point after first digit into the characteristic is bar 1, means it is 10 to the power minus 1. If I adjust this, it is 0.4331. So student, इसका आंसर आएगा 0.4331 is the answer for this whole. This is how we have to use the log table while solving numericals. Okay students. Now students, while solving हमें कुछ ऐसे values नहीं मिले हैं. Which I wanted to show one more some simple सा sum लेंगे because already time ज़्यादा हो गया है. So I will take one more sum and in which I wanted to show you something differently. अगर तुम्हें इसमें डाउट है कहीं भी, please pause the video and go through it. Okay. Now what I wanted to take it is, समझो if it is like this. 0.0832 divided by 0.00681. Okay, ये वैल्यू है समझो. एंड यहाँ पे समझो आई विल टेक वन मोर डिजिट, दैट इज आई वांटेड टू सॉल्व दिस. नाउ I wanted to use logarithm, no other method I wanted to use, and I wanted to solve this with logarithm method. It is equal to dash value, so I'll say log of, it is 0.08323 divided by 0.00681, which is equal to log of 0.08323, that is minus, it is log of 0.00681. क्योंकि ऐसे केस में many students they found it difficult to solve this type, which is very simple actually. Those who have understood the concept of logarithm, तो वो तो आराम से करेंगे ये sum. So now once again I have to check the value is less than 1. How many zeros? 1 0 is there. Characteristic is 1 more than that, and it is bar 2. Now I have to check 83 into difference is 3. So I'll check in logarithm page. So ये बहुत carefully करना है. So it is 83 into 012. Difference is 3. So value to 9203. 9203 minus of. Now if this value is also less than 1. There are 2 zeros are there. मतलब it is bar 3.68 in 1 and next digit you take it as 0 if you want. So it is 68 in 1, 0 1, mean difference is 0, so it is 8331. So it is 8331. Now we have to find out the difference. अभी देखो student, this I'll write like this, it is bar 2.9203 and this is bar 3.8331 और ये difference find out करना है students. We have to find out the difference. So check now. 3 minus 1 is 2. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, now your method I am using. So ये 1 हो गया, तो 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. सही है. Then it is 8 minus 8 is 0. Now यहाँ पे देखो students, इसमें बहुत मेंबर्स को डाउट रहता है, इसीलिए मैंने ये सम लिया है. सो इट इज बार 2 माइनस ऑफ माइनस 3. बार 2 मतलब माइनस 2 माइनस ऑफ, इट इज माइनस 3 क्योंकि बार 3 मतलब माइनस 3 है, विच इज माइनस 2. माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस 3 है, विच इज माइनस 2 प्लस 3 है, इज नथिंग बट प्लस 1. सो इसका वैल्यू हो गया 1.0872. सो इट इज 1.0872 स्टूडेंट. इसके आगे तो तुम लोग आराम से कर सकते हो. नाउ चेक द एंटीलॉग ऑफ दिस. इसके आगे तो खत्म हो गया. सो द प्रॉब्लम व्हाट यू विल फेस या मिस्टेक व्हाट यू मे डू इज हियर. सो ये -2 माइनस ऑफ -3 माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस, -2 plus 3 is +1. ठीक है स्टूडेंट. So now it is I have to check 0.8 in 7 difference to in anti-logarithm. So it is 0.08. Yes, 0.08 in 7. So in 7 difference is 2. So it is 1 2 2 3. 1 2 2 2 है plus 1 that is 3. As I said, always give decimal point after first digit into 10 to the power the characteristic, that is 12.23 is the answer of this. So the answer of it is 12.23 is the answer for this. Clear it is? अगर तुम्हें ये डेसिमल प्लेस या समझो इफ यू डोंट वांट दिस निगेटिव पावर आ रहा है, अगर ये तुम्हें अवॉइड करना है, तो बिफोर यू अप्लाई लॉगरिथम यू कैन एडजस्ट द डेसिमल प्लेसेस. हाउ यू शिफ्ट इट 1 2 3 4 5. देन हियर आल्सो यू शिफ्ट 1 2 3 4 5. तो ये तुम्हारा वैल्यू हो जाएगा 8323 डिवाइडेड बाय 681. अभी तुम्हारा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा. आई हैव जस्ट एडजस्टेड दिस डेसिमल प्लेसेस. नाउ इन सम केसेस समझो यहाँ पे ऐसे आ रहा है, सम वैल्यू इज देयर where 86.31 divided by 99.83 into 10 to the power 8 है. हाँ, so keep this 10 to the power 8 as it is. Don't apply logarithm for this. And apply logarithm for this, solve this. When you get the answer, just into 10 to the power 8 you keep as it is. So ये 10 to the power 8 के लिए वगैरह logarithm apply करने का avoid ही करो. And you keep this as it is. Apply logarithm to this part. Find out the solution of this. If you get the solution of this, into 10 to the power 8 remains as it is. Okay student, so this is all. You can practice some more sums. If you follow this method, you will get perfect answer students. So in next video I am taking sin theta, cos theta या inverse. मतलब if I know the value, then what is the angle? If I know the angle, what is the value? That we have to take. Then in this table we can check the reciprocals also student. Direct reciprocals you can find. Say for example if there is 1 divided by 8.681, so इसको log of 1 minus ऐसे करने की जरूरत नहीं. By this log table direct reciprocal you can find out. How it is, that we'll discuss in next video. Thank you students. Thank you all.